So I normally do not show my face on any kind of social media or stuff like that. But say why the UPS guy? Anyway, so we're going to do an unboxing video of this item. So here we go. So I really do not know which way is up or down because the packager, the owner, or I may have been damaged in transit, I have absolutely no clue. It is coming out of its box apparently, according to the delivery guy. So I honestly do not know which way is up, but we're going to try it. So here we go. Oh my goodness. So, yeah, this is the correct way when I get on top. I've never seen anything like this, so it's pretty strange. There's a receipt, Metal Logics, the guy who owned it. So this is the correct way. It is upright right now. So let's get this thing out of here. Got it. One moment. So this thing is extremely heavy. It is 45 pounds, 46